Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Brainy Techs and Ideas. Today in this video I am going to tell you about two amazing cryptocurrency earning applications where withdrawal is completely automatic. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. Now let's see which are those two applications and how to work on them. The first app, as you can see, is free Bitcoin Cash. I'll give the download link in the description below. Download and install it from there and then open the app. Allow all the permissions and you can see the terms and conditions where it says that every Tuesday 10,000 satoshis will automatically be transferred to your wallet. Click on agree and then fill your email ID. After you fill in the email ID, click on submit button. Then it will ask you to enter your cryptocurrency wallet address. Here you have to enter the Bitcoin Cash wallet address, not the Bitcoin wallet address. Remember, Bitcoin Cash wallet address. Here you don't have to enter the Bitcoin wallet address. Here, if you wish, you can skip both the steps for now and register yourself later on as well. And how you can do that, I'm going to tell you in a while. For now, I have entered my wallet address. Now the app is opening up. And as you can see, there are so many options available here for earning. At the top, you will be able to see how many satoshis we have earned. Then hourly claim is available. Offer walls are available. From there, you can earn satoshis. Bonus claims is also available, and so many more options are there if you go below the app. Now let's click on the first option, claim hourly bonus. Then here you can see we have got 2 spins. When I click on spin prices, the spinner will start moving. Okay, and as we can see, it has stopped on 41. Now it is again moving, and now it has stopped on 8 number. Either we can choose 41 satoshis or 8 satoshis, or we can click on more spins to get more spins. So if you click on more spins, an ad will come. You have to see the ad, and then again you will get 3 chances to spin. Here, if my spinner hits on the silver Bitcoin button, then it will go to next line, the top line, and in the top line, if it hits on a golden button, then it will go to the topmost line, where it is very big amount, 251, 1,866 satoshis are here. So my 3 spins are completed. Now I can avail more spins by looking at the ad again. Now I am claiming the highest satoshis, 41 satoshis for now. I have claimed 41 satoshis, and as you can see, at the topmost I have got 41 satoshis. Now if you go to offer walls, it has so many options like a playtime offer wall, ad gem offer wall, poll surveys are there, so many tasks are there, simple tasks you can do and avail satoshis. Now if you go to third option, bonus claim available, the interface will be something like this. You have to click on get reward, and then after seeing the ad you will get the reward. After watching the ad completely, click on claim reward, and the spinner will start and you'll get your reward. You can avail this offer as many times as you want, but each time you have to see an ad. Now as you can see, other offers are also there. You can check them and complete the offers and get the reward. Now we'll go to the control panel. Here, as you can see, 2 options are there, get a wallet and register now. I was telling about these options. If you skip the step 1 and 2 of entering the email ID and wallet address before, you can do it now. One more option is there of referrals. You can click on referrals and you'll get a referral link which you can share with your friends and family, and this is also one source of earning from this application. Now a very good option is there of payment threshold. If you can see, payment threshold is that from where you can set how much the minimum payment should go into my wallet. If it should be 10,000 satoshis, or 5,000 satoshis, or it should be 1 lakh or 10 lakh, that you can set from here. This is all about this application. Now I am going to show you the other application. The other application is exactly similar to this application. The sign up process, the earning, the offer walls, everything is exactly similar. So I'm not going to explain that application in detail. I am just going to brief about that application. The other application is known as free Litecoin. The download link is given in description below. You can download it from there and then sign up and make sure you enter the Litecoin wallet address over here. Okay, so in this app, if you see the last second tab, free Bitcoin Cash, get free Bitcoin Cash, if you click on this tab, you can directly jump onto the previous app, and if same tab is available in that app as well, so if you click on that, you will come here again. Rest of the things are exactly similar to the previous application, and here also you will get automatic withdrawals to your wallet on Tuesdays. So that was all about both the applications and today's video. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please like and share it and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you.